Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share you dictionary data type. What is the dictionary data type in Python? So first we have to create a dictionary. So for that I use a random variable that is d is equals to C. Dictionary data type always represents in a curly braces. So first is 1 colon sorry colon a comma 2 colon p comma 3 colon C comma 4 colon T. So here my dictionary is completed. Now we are going to run this. See, the dictionary is created. Now we are going to see in this dictionary what are the keys and the values. What is this one after the colon A and what is the A? So here I just simply write D dot keys. What are the keys in this dictionary? So I just write d dot keys and then I run this. It will gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the keys in this dictionary. Next I want to see what are these A, B and C and D here. So here I write d dot values and I just simply run this. It will gives me values, dictionary values A, B, C, and D. These are the values in this dictionary. If I want this pair in a separate brackets, so for that I just write d dot items and it will gives me see it will gives me the key value pair 1a 2b 3c 4. Now we are going to see some methods. First method is get method. So I just write d dot get. I just simply write one key like 2. So what it gives me? It gives me b, the value. See, the 2 key is having a b value. If I write 3, it will gives me c with the help of get method. Next is if I write 7, which is not in this dictionary, but I write and then I just run this. It didn't give me anything, right? No output. So for that, comma, not exist. So it will gives me the not exist message as a output. That is 7 is not in this dictionary. So here is the dictionary